They stuck out there with me inside studio. It be like saying Ogus Baba or somebody I dey with where they talk say they stuck at that time.
Yeah.
For Enugu, no kada they do.
Not be lie.
Eh.
I dey carry am.
You they carry the
Ogus plenty times. No, you know they pay me that time.
so that one now from Ogus mouth for here and say say you they do Okada business for Enugu.
There's a graduate to me, they not disability.
Oh, you the graduate that
yes,
time?
Yes.
So now you supposed to fight for your fellow graduates. Where they do Okada now?
I know everybody go pass through process.
So now you be the author one of Okada riders. Because you supposed to speak on their behalf. Say no way. Oh God, no, I leave these people. Me too, I be graduate before. I ride Okada. Yeah, because
okay, now that one you do. After Okada, I see the Undertaker.
Eh?
Yes, I carry the body.
Really?
Yeah.
You do Undertaker work too?
Yes.
Whoa.
So when I just say success be like pregnant woman, you don't know I meant that the husband make love to them. It is the joke.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa. So which other strange work you do again?
I said for traffic, for Tigba Junction.
You said for Tigba?
Yes, no. I said artwork.
Oh, okay. All these guys know they carry artwork.
Yes. I also, as a graduate, will not be say.
All these ones you don't graduate.
Yes.
So why you not go look for work?
I just make up my mind. I no fit work for person.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah,
so you want hustle the things right from beginning.
Yes. The only time when I try work for person, I say, man, try whether I go work. I can't get problem. I say no. My destiny not be to work for person.
Hey. But man, you don't do well now. How many years now for comedy?
By birth, I be comedian because my father na comedian.
Okay, for Warrior before
Delta State. My father is the first Robo comedy film actor in Delta State. Yes, he'll be on my show. He's performing.
Wow, that's nice. That's nice. Okay, so you're a comedian.
Yes. So when I do Okada for Enugu, that time, I don't take him professionally, but Ogusi they see me like Okada man.
Even today, still they see you like
No, he don't change his mentality. Like that, I say this talent something, and they put me say yes. He go let me say you are one of my comedians. I say wow. He don't believe in me, oh.
Are you serious?
If I said last week, he started to believe me.
Are you serious?
No, not easy. That now they gum a goose flyer now for Enugu.
Yes.
We go me still ringing Ontop Akas.
I know Ontop. Ontop, our station.
Now, Mark, I'll shock you now. Up now, if I give Ontop a first platform for IMT.
IMT for Enugu?
Yes, as a comedian. Now when I perform, I can say, Papa, I'm funny. I feel perform ABA go scatter. First show, I pay 600 naira. It shock you now, B?
Yes. Because I know Ontop, I know Akas, of course. I know all of them.
That time you know because they seem like Okada. I see they draw that time. Now me first draw Ontop artwork, pencil artwork.
Now art you do for school?
No, public admin. All those are inborn.
Then you still service the public. The Okada business that sees and still the service you they render the service to
God when.
Public admin, you not the public is
not be lie. It depends on where you look at from. So I think and I have a strategy when I was doing Okada.
Would you they crack joke for people?
Naturally, my normal gist now funny gist.
Okay.
So if I'm telling you a reality story, it's funny.
Okay.
Maybe because say I be worry boy.
Okay.
So another work now Okada man work now I take carry and the strategy I was using then I know the charge you. When I was doing Okada, I know the charge.
You know the charge money.
If you stop me now say new heaven, I say enter. How much? Oga when we reach, give me what you get. That was my strategy. I was doing the Okada for fun, the way I do comedy for fun. So now I carry one man. Now the man can say, you are very funny. As the man dropped me, he said, but I don't have money because I tell him, say, when we reach, make you give me. He said, I don't have money. I said, no problem. I told my Okada they go. Now I come. He said, this is what you do for a living? I said, yes. This like this? I said, yes. He said, since I did not pay, I said, before I close, somebody will pay for you. Now the man said, no. you are very funny. Can you talk on radio?
Now there for
Now
start.
so my story starts. Can you talk on radio? I say, yeah. He said, what make you feel you can talk on radio? I said, because I read public admin. And I said, are you a graduate? I said, yes. And I said, okay. He gave me a card. It was the directors of all the directors in Enugu State Broadcasting Service.
Are you serious?
That was how I started. From Okada, I go to radio station. Because they do 10 minutes. From 10 minutes, they say, okay, man, do TV. I got to do radio 10 minutes, TV 10 minutes for free. I was doing it for free.
Yes, yes.
From there, I was enjoying it. I come be like say, I be Pam Kane went for red. Oh yeah, I know they go my family small.
Yes, you dey go back.
Yeah, so from there, one company from Lagos come do art show. You get once you get when they did that for more. When you come see the needle sabi talk.
Yes.
Student, I recommend me. Then my name was I Don't Die.
Oh, I don't die. Don't come be I don't die. Okay.
So when the company come, I do show for them finish. They come say, now after that day as I talk finish, they spray me. Okada man when they make 3,000 every day before, I come perform for one show. They cost me 6,500. They don't pay almost 2 weeks for me.
Wow.
So I come say okay, no problem. The company come say they no go pay me now. Say now when they reach Lagos, they go send me money. I say no problem. The company go. After 1 month, 2 months, I never call them. The oga call me say, what kind of person you be? You work for us, you never call us. I say, if you guys are satisfied with my work, I'm not supposed to remind them not to pay. Now the man say, you are the best comedian we have used since this tour. But I think if you come to Lagos, you will make it more. Say, yeah, you
Yes.
Now so I say, but I don't get anybody for Lagos. So he said, just try to come to Lagos. Now I come Lagos. I know the only that one you hear them on Sunday.
All right, so I get the stock inside studio with me. Me still get a few more minutes to stay before you go waka come out. And then you can finally come. You don't come they do your show. You first they do them for club. You first they do for lounge and clubs.
Lounge,
Yes.
Now those lounge one they do every Thursday.
How many years you do that lounge?
12 years. Every Thursday. Now only four Thursdays I missed 12 years. And that one I go Russia. And at that club, now cook me. What I mean by cooking, you know what it takes to talk to people that are drunk?
Yes. People
that
get
drunk,
problem, we come
get
there.
family problem. People when in and their wife, say the best place to be in our club.
Yes, now for where you they drink.
Yeah, when you reach out, your wife don't sleep. Before you wake up, you don't go work.
Yes, now people know they happy.
That is why anytime you call me, if I feel make drunk and laugh, now I say normal person go fall for ground.
Yes.
So as I do am back to back, I big shout out to Acapella.
Yes.
Yeah, and Acapella say
Acapulco, the golden boy.
He say you funny.
The golden boy.
He say you funny. But the problem is say you never enter limelight. So that time when people they campaign for me, say may they use me for event, people will say, if this guy is funny, how come we don't know him? But only that my lounge circle, now I know me. So it take a lot of conviction to get me job. But that time I was comfortable because I not got you kokoro. Because at that time I see they borrow comedian when they show for TV money, which means I'm doing well.
Yes, now.
You understand? So I called this and I said, okay, true. I might enter limelight small. But the first limelight now, Ajebo now give me. Ajebo just say the soccer, come my show. You perform. After you do your 38 finish, just come. Anytime you come, you perform. I got there around 11:30. All the comedians don't perform finish.
Yeah.
Nice Alpha. You fit here. I say me when they perform for market. I will perform.
Now if you say you don't demand, you dey perform for market, you don't demand with that.
What I call it, not be road show at start. Now road show now.
Yes, now.
All those motor go stop for public place. My work not to draw attention. I will first dance. Now that time I tell you say anything when they pass through now you are in a process. Now that dance when I learn for Undertaker.
Dead body dance.
Yes, now. When they dancer, if they pass for market, you stop, look me. So that's from there. But we give God glory.
How many shows you don't do so far? In particular for I know say you don't do for a co-hotel, you for Muson Center.
I do Muson Center.
You don't do Worry.
I don't do Muson Center 3 years.
Yes.
I do Muson Center 3 years. I do Port Harcourt.
Yes.
I do Benin. I do Asaba. I do Warri.
I know that.
I do 16 cities for UK.
Yes. I remember that.
I do 2 cities for Dublin. I don't do Russia. I say no. They call them say Nigeria people they depressed. It's okay. Ma come Lagos.
but why you never go back to 042 now? Waiting there for 042. Why not?
I go do 042. I will do 042.
Because plenty people don't the same message. New Heaven representing. They don't the same message yet. So why not 042?
I say New Heaven, no. I say Monarch Avenue.
So why you never go back to 042?
I go back.
Because you don't do Warri, it follow shape you. You don't do Asaba, it follow shape you. 042 follow shape you.
But I do choose. I go as special guest.
No, I know that one.
But I go maybe because after this one I will do November 19 Transcorp.
Okay.
I will go to do all those cities. Enugu. I think I'll consider Enugu.
You need to go back.
Because I know they hear many shows there.
You need to go.
You know, say if I go now, people when they might say that everybody don't come out. They'll also be this one.
Who be this upcoming? Waiting say if you can't do show. All right. So the Stalker Laughter Crusade. It happen for Sunday for Eco Hotel. And then this one means say you get plenty sponsors with that.
You know, say when God don't blow your whistle, whether you tired about your jersey, you play for the match. No sponsor.
So how you dey fit take do am?
Na grace.
I know how much we hotel be.
Na grace. Even me don't know how the money they come.
Na risk you dey take so.
The thing be say, who poor now no take risk.
Who poor now who no take risk.
Yes.
These people they sell puff, then they take risk now.
The difference between hard work and smart work.
You don't hear them. There is a difference between hard work and smart work. So when they sell puff, no they smart.
They hard working.
They hard working, but you know they smart. All right. So now a hotel, now there go happen, and of course yes, you get other people them will go follow you. But I know say they take your own time.
Yes.
You they take whether your 1 hour, 1.5 hours.
Yeah, they do 3 hours.
Only you. Anyway, you know well, Sha.
Only me and the House of the Stalker.
Yes, House of the Stalker.
I have boys that have been training.
Yeah.
So I funny die. Those ones they never funny die, but they're funny.
you funny die.
Yes.
They never funny die.
They're funny.
Okay.
Yeah. So I have like 10 of them. They'll be performing, and we want to be doing something different from every other hotel show. On my red carpet, 7 comedians will perform on red carpet. So you when it comes say show never start, and you buy ticket. If you know the red carpet, you don't already miss 40% of the fun. So we'll be having special appearance comedian. We'll be having Ali Baba. We'll be having AY. We'll be having Gordons. We'll be having Bo Joint. Yes, we'll be having comedians. But the truth is, they are coming to sit down.
But then go come.
Now be special appearance.
They go come appear.
They go appear. So I could do 1 hour. I could use the strong hand for the House of the Stalker to open the show. Then I will now come. Yeah, we'll have music break. We'll be having Sparkle Tea. We'll be having Reminisce. We'll be having Two-Face. So that's how we want to do it. It's going to be different. But I believe God is using me because I'm seeing prophecy.
Hallelujah.
It's a crusade.
Hallelujah.
So I've been telling people on my interviews that if you're having spiritual problem, you must be on the show. If you're having Mami Water spirit problem, you must be on the show. If you're having financial issue, I don't have that healing. Because that's my problem.
That's your own problem too.
You can't bring my own problem to come to me.
All right, so I don't hear the Stalker. If you follow him for Instagram, you will find out all the information about the show.
The Stalker comedian. Follow me and I'll follow you. But even though we don't know where we really
yes. So you go follow the Stalker on top on the Instagram page. You go see all the information. And now for a hotel on Sunday. Which time the show they start?
7:30. 9 carpet go start.
7:30
till 8:30. Then the show, the main show, will go inside.
Yeah, the main show because show they outside too.
Yes, show they outside.
Yeah, so you go also go do inside and outside.
The most important thing about the show, even though regular ticket you buy, you go eat, you go drink.
Okay, you don't hear them. Enough day for you. You go chop.
Come imagine the table.
So reach out to the stock if you want to find out more about the show, and then you want to buy, you want support. Just reach out to the young man. He really they do well. But then, I don't talk about the Crusade. But then make we just deviate a bit.
Okay.
What be your take on top all these people with the contest for president, from Ashiwaju to Atiku to Obi, to all of them?
And the thing be say, because of this my show, I not really dey focus on that side.
To avoid stories
I know say when 3 4 on top of 3, now the one when day of the different remove. Man remove my own fair before I
before
look
you
into
begin
people.
to look. Oh, I like that. Wisdom.
He will not kill me.
Wisdom no kill you at all. Wisdom no kill you at all.
Maybe after my show you go interview me again.
Yeah, you go come get mic. Don't everybody know this thing when you talk. Oh. You need to use your tongue, count your teeth to you understand. Not be everybody. Many are called, chosen a few. Not be everybody if you understand what you talk. No worry. I see the handwriting clearly. And then, but the future of comedy, what do you see as the future of comedy for Nigeria? Or our comedians?
Okay, the truth is, the new generation comedians that are coming now, everybody's working.
Yes.
Everybody's working. At the years some comedians, they talk. At the same time, they come up for the recycle of jokes. You know, say person will crack your joke, go say rebrander. Hello.
Yeah.
It's a rebrander now. You know, talk this part now. I talk.
I add this up. Yeah.
So the new generation, no, these boys, they are working. Yeah. So I'm seeing something huge coming in the future.
Okay, then you wait to be your take on people where they do skits. Some people they say, then they always ask me, say comedians they fear the boys them where they do skits because it be like saying at them then they clean out plenty.
And they clean out because you know say YouTube money be like rich one.
Yes. So
if you notice that some of our comedians say don't join them.
They don't begin to do skits.
Because if na small pikin they lead road and you old person because say the pikin no road, follow am.
Just follow am. No need for you to waste time. So
but because the way the country be now, not be who senior they respect, so now who get to?
Now who gets? Now they respect. You don't hear about the way where the country be now. No be who senior. Now then they follow. Now who get?
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You did miss Wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chukmat family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chukmat.